Welcome. It's time to meditate and recharge to see you through the rest of the day. I suggest you put your phone on silent, turn any bells, whistles, dings and dongs off in relation to your computer, however you do that. And if you have a landline, just disconnect that for the next 10 minutes. You want to make sure that you're not going to be disturbed to receive the full benefits. And you are, well, first of all, congratulations for making this time for yourself. You are taking very, very good care of you. You can sit in your office chair, or if you have a carpeted floor, you might like to lie down on the carpet, whichever you prefer. Getting comfortable, closing your eyes, and feeling your body against the chair or the floor. Aware that you are physically in this room, present to your body, sitting or lying, and present to the room. You can also hear the background music to this meditation. It's okay to hear external noises, maybe in the next office or in the corridor. But what you want to do is allow those sounds to come to you rather than you going out to the sound. You're staying present to your own body in your own space. One of the ways that you can do this is through breath awareness and concentration on your breath. So let's begin by noticing your in and out breaths. It's very simple. But breath gives life. It's so important. We don't give it any attention or minimal attention. And meditation is an opportunity to do just that. And optimal breathing, if you're able, is to breathe all the way down to the belly. This will also support you to reset and recharge for the rest of the day. Breathing into the belly is relaxing. It's calming and stress relieving. If thoughts arise in the mind, please be gentle with yourself. You're not doing anything wrong. It is actually very normal. That's what the brain does. It generates thoughts. So if you notice that, simply shift your attention back to your in-breath and your out-breath. Continue this breathing in and out. Taking that breath as long as possible. and just imagining that you're closing your diary on your to-do list or wherever you keep your appointments and jobs for the day. You're closing that down. Just imagine that for a moment or two whilst focusing on the breath. Next, on your in-breath, imagine or feel or have the intention that you're going to take that breath all the way down to your feet. So if you're in your chair, your feet are flat on the ground and you're going to feel that connection with the ground. If you're lying down, bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the ground, making contact. Breathing in, feeling your feet on the ground. Breathing in, feeling your feet on the ground, relaxing. Breathing in, feeling your feet on the ground, softening your shoulders. Breathing in, feeling your feet on the ground, watching your belly rise and fall. Breathing in, feeling your feet against the floor and your buttocks against the chair or the floor. Breathing in, feeling your feet, feeling your buttocks and your back. Maintain this awareness with your breath and your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And letting out a ah. And allowing your body to soften. Maybe drop your jaw slightly, bringing relaxation through the jaw. Breathing in, breathing out, and smiling. enjoying this time for you. Leaning the joy and the good feelings from this little break will help to increase your energy to see you through the rest of your day. Your next breath in, take it down to your toes. Wiggle your toes. Start to bring some movement into your body. Just check in how you're feeling right now. That will be a good indication of how you need to look after yourself for the rest of the day. Maybe you need an early night tonight, or maybe you need to repeat this meditation again later on. You can open your eyes now. Taking in the room, coming back to the space. In your own time. Well done for taking good care of you, and thank you for spending your valuable time with me. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to the channel. A new meditation is uploaded every day, and I invite you to click the notifications button. This is a fabulous reminder to meditate for at least 10 minutes every day. I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.